Hey guys, it's Lau at the Lab. Today we are showing you how to back up your iPhone on iCloud. So here it is. Enjoy. Today we will be doing how to back up your iPhone on the 11.4 version of software. First, you want to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. So you go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, make sure that's connected. Then you go back, go to your Apple ID, go to iCloud, and then you come down and go to iCloud Backup and make sure that's turned on. And then right under Backup Now, it should tell you if it's been backed up. If it hasn't, you should prompt it to back up once you're connected to Wi-Fi and plugged in. Top right of your phone should show the little lightning thing if it's plugged in, but I'm going to go ahead and back it up now. And then you'll want to just let it fully back up before you go anywhere or take it anywhere. Otherwise, it will show an error and it won't back up fully, and it'll just be an empty file. Even though it might show it there, if it doesn't say that it is a complete backup, it won't be complete. So this might take a moment. So when it is done, it'll say last successful backup, and it'll give you date and time, and then your phone is backed up. You can also plug it into your computer and back it up through that, but you have to manually do that every day if you do it through that way. But that is how to back up your iPhone and make sure that everything is saved. And then in your backup, I'll go in here and you can select or deselect anything in this, and it will prompt you to either keep on your phone or delete or whatever, and it's whatever you prefer on that. But you can select all these, whether they back up or not, and then also make sure your Find My iPhone is on. That way if it ever gets lost or stolen, you can track it down and actually lock it or erase it before anybody gets into it. Also, another thing is to keep an eye on your storage up at the top here. Make sure it doesn't get too full. If it gets too full, I would advise on buying more. The storage plans are literally, I think for 50 gigs is like 99 cents. I have the 200 gig one, and that's $2.99. And then they have a terabyte one, I think is their next level, and that's like $5.99, I think. Yeah, I'd have to look at it to see, but that's just make sure you have enough storage for your backup, basically. Otherwise, it will not back up completely. So that is all for now.
What's up, guys? Jaden from the lab here. Just wanted to say, if you like this content and want to see more content like this, informational videos on technology as we go, like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to follow us on Facebook or Instagram. Check out our website at thelabrepair.com. And don't forget, again, to subscribe. Peace.